NDLI Club Bali University. I welcome all to this online awareness program on the NDLI and NDLI. NDLI means National Digital Library of India. So this is a digital library set up by the Ministry of Education, Government of India at IIT Kharagpur. And NDLI Club is a sister concern of that library being set up for every education institutes. Under this NDLI Club, various programs are organized, and today is the first program of this year's activities of the NDLI Club of Alia University, and we have Dr. Nihal Alam, Assistant Librarian at Partner Trust on campus of the Alia University, as the resource person for today's event. He will explain what is NDLI and how we can navigate to the digital library and access various resources of the digital library. So, with these words, I welcome Dr. Nihal Alam to start his presentation.
Thank you, Salahuddin. I once again welcome everyone to our user awareness program. Today, we embark on a journey to deepen our understanding and knowledge about National Digital Library of India and NDL. Hello.
I don't know if everyone is facing issues. I am feeling that your voice is a bit low.
Okay. Now it's coming. Proper. Hello.
Voice are clear, but the noise come noisy. Voice is clear, but the volume is low, I think.
Okay.
Background is noisy, a bit noisy, but it's clear. We can hear clearly both of you, sir.
Just because of this sleeping environment. Now it's coming.
That's the fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
now
basically,
go ahead.
Okay. So today we embark on a journey to deepen our understanding and knowledge about the National Digital Library of India and NDLI Club. Together, we will explore key insights, share our experiences, and empower ourselves with the information resources available with the NDLI to make or to take informed decisions. So basically, this is the outline of my presentation. So where quickly we'll see introductions, why we need the NDLI, how it's work, what kind of content it has, and who will be the potential target audience this is suitable for it, and how we can access the NDLI. The National Digital Library is basically a collaborative initiative taken by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, under the National Mission of Education through Information and Communication Technology. This is basically an ambitious project. Aim was to harness the power of digital technology to bring a revolution in order to access the educational resources and promote lifelong learning across the country. It is one of the IIT Kharagpur is one of the key partner in the development and implementation of NDLI. It has played an important role in decision development, implementation, and management of NDLI platform. Now, moving to why we'll need the NDLI. Basically, there are many reasons that supports that we must have the NDLA. The first one is the free access to knowledge resources under one umbrella. You can say a single window should be needed in order to access all the resources. Basically, we all know that quality education and information is often restricted by geographic, economic, or institutional barriers. Here, the NDLI serves as a game changer, basically, just by aggregating a vast array of digital resources in one centralized platform. It also provides equitable access to educational materials, irrespective of one's location or financial status. The democratization of knowledge empowers individuals from all walks of life to pursue learning and self-improvement. The second one is the anytime anywhere access. Basically, it's a 24/7 access. This NDLI has overcome the barriers associated with traditional library by offering seamless access to its resources round the clock anywhere with just a click of a mouse, or just you need an internet connection. So third one is the simultaneous access by multiple person, means concurrent users, means many users can browse all the resources at the same time, because of the scalable features that is available with the NDLI platform. And last one is basically it's solutions to a situation like a lockdown or the COVID-19 pandemic recently that we face. Basically, this platform ensure continuity of education during time of crisis, as you have seen during COVID-19 pandemic, where all the institutions were closed and special distancing measures was followed. Under such circumstances, this platform is very effective in learning. Now, moving to how does this NDLI works? Basically, NDLI operates through a sophisticated digital infrastructure were designated to aggregate, organize, and disseminate education resources to users across the country. It's basically the metadata that structure the content and help the user in discovering, searching, and browsing the content through a hyperlink that directs further user to the content source, means where exactly its content is lying. Now, if you look about the who would be the potential target audience for this platform, then you will see right from the school education to the researcher, professional, lifelong learning, entrepreneur. It's for everybody. Means for all type of learner can make use of it. If you'll see the type of content which is available in NDLI, then this NDLI offers a diverse range of content across various formats and subjects, such as textbook used in schools, colleges, universities in India. Academic journals, if we talk about this scholarly communication, this includes research article, reviews, case studies, and many more. It has also have a reference materials such as dictionaries, atlas, encyclopedia, concepts, factual data, images, etc. Apart from this, NDLI platform also offer multimedia content, which in the form of audio, video recordings. You will also find the lectures, PPTs, course materials, teaching material, and you can also browse the historical archives, manuscripts, artifacts, open educational resources, and government publications like reports and the policies that has been preparing by the government and the different agencies. So overall, we can say that NDLI offer a comprehensive collection of content designed to meet the diverse educational information and research need of users across the India. Around 350 plus organizations they have participated to this project, and they are successfully they are collaborating to provide their resources. So basically, if we talk about the collaboration, then the numerous organizations such as the IITs, IIMs, ISER, NITs, central and state universities, research organizations, publishers, NGOs, public libraries, all these are the institutions, organizations, or the bodies, those who are contributing the content to this platform. Now, this is one of the important aspects that you need to focus on. That is the access options. Once you log into this platform, then you will find there five type of access option is there. If you see the green lock which is open, it means that these resources which are completely open for all. Means this is anybody can access from anywhere, and basically these are the government reports, policies, publications. Mostly the government educational institutions may contribute this type of resources. You will also find the lecture notes, publications, and course material under this open access option. The second one is the NDLI users. Here, the user will get the full text, but they have to register with the NDL website. So here, the content contributors who partner directly with the NDLI may provide access to their resources exclusively for registered NDLI users. The third option is the limited access, where some educational and research organization may provide limited access to their digital resources within the NDLI platform. This access is restricted to specific user group, which may be a student, which may be a user, or a handful of professors. So this will be limited access will be there. The fourth one is mostly associated with the library, that is the subscribed one. Say, for example, if you look into the fourth option, then whatever the resources that your parent organization is subscribing, you'll able to access the full text of that resources. Say, for mostly here we'll see the commercial publishers like the Springer, Wiley, or Taylor Fans, whatever the resources that have been subscribed to our library. So this, if access is there, and if you go through this option, you'll able to get the full text. Otherwise, it will prompt for to log in. The fifth one is very what we can say a restricted one. It's require a authorized option because a special login permission is required as content has a restricted access due to the licensing agreement or copyright or privacy consideration. So these resources are accessible only to the authorized user, affiliated with the specific institutions. Hello, I'm audible, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
I just thought I am reading something and everybody is listening. Okay, anyway, just quickly we'll move to the another slide. So basically, if you see the subject-wide content availability, no? So this is just for the statistical purpose. I have this data over here just to assess which subject have how much resources. If you see the computer science or general works, then it will be around 1.6 plus crore resources which is available in this NDLI platform under this category, and this is followed by the I think engineering and technology, which is then 1.2 plus crore resources are available. So you can just by seeing this data, you will just analyze how much resources it has. But only problem is that you have to be very tactical and you have to be smart. Because exactly you have to by browsing the different filters and the options, you just land to your right resources. Anyway, moving to the next slide, that is the access options content wise. Access options that we have already spoken about. If you'll see the content wise, then which is around 72% of the resources which is available to the NDLI are free to use for educational and research purpose. So if anybody is doing any research or any study, I think if you'll means judiciously, if you'll browse the website, you can lots of resources of his interest. Now, basically, this is a resource type. Means how, say for example, research article. It has nearly 3.8 crore of research articles available with this NDLA platform. Similarly, newspaper, books, technical books. So all these are the you can say content count which is available to this platform. Now we'll just quickly move how to access the NDLI website. Basically, there are two ways that by which we can access the NDLI. The first one is the mobile application, and the second one is the browser-based login. Basically, this provides user with flexibility in how they utilize the platform. The mobile application might offer a more streamlined experience for those who prefer to access resources on their smartphone or the tablets. While the browser-based logins allow access from any, you can say, device with internet connectivity. In fact, both options aim is to make easy access to NDLI users catering different platforms and needs. Now, moving to the next slide, this is basically the home page of the NDLI. If you will type ndl.iitkgp.ac.in to your web browser, it will land to this home page. And if you'll see on the right top side of this screen, then you'll just able to see the login option. Once you will just click on that, a login window will prompt in front of you where you have to put your register email ID and password in order to get login. If you are not registered, then you have to just click on the register now, where you have to give the basic details like name, first name, date of birth, organization, email ID, and password. That's it. And once you will get create your account, you will just able to log in to this website. This is one of the interesting feature that has been included in this NDLI platform. Last year, I think it was 11 languages, Indian languages they have incorporated, but this year I think they have included one more languages. So this NDLI offers various Indian languages to cater the diverse users base across the India. This language interface feature allow user to navigate the platform, search for resources, and access content in their preferred Indian language. Here, the basic objectivity is to promote inclusivity and accessibility, enabling users from the diverse language background to benefit with the wealth of educational resources available to the platform. Now next we'll move to the this NDLI collection. Basically, there are four categories that has been created to this website. If you'll see on the top of the web page, you will just find four categories. Means all the resources are arranged under this four category. Like the subjects, for example, it may be you can see at the bottom like mathematics, physics, or chemistry, botany. Like subject wise, they have categorized the resources. Second one is the resource type. Basically, resource type means whether it's a video lecture, whether it's an article, books, or presentations, or lecture notes, etc. If you see the content provided, means basically those who are the organizations or the institution, those who are contributing resources to this platform. It may be from the state to central universities
So I
or
have a question.
all the research organizations. Hello. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yes. 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 Please.
Yes, sir, so I am asking if someone enroll any in courses, they will get any certificate or not.
See, actually, in NDLI, if you'll go to the Swam Prava or Swam or NPTL, like there you can register and you'll get the certificate. For NDLI, I'm having a question, means having a doubt whether it's offering any certificate if you'll go or register for a certificate, because it's not directly what you can say. If they're having agreement with that partner what you can say organization, then there may be option may be there, but I have not explored at that this much of at this point of time you can say. So but I know that swam you can go over there, you can register. There are lots of courses are offering over there. You can register over there. You will what we can say you'll attend the video lectures, you appear for the exams, and you'll get the certificate. But for
So I
this
think same
NDLI
thing
you
also doing kind of institute like Harvard, Stanford, they are also providing in online courses
yeah,
like that.
I agree with that. But right now, whatever the organizations that are contributing, basically, typically, what I have seen, these all are mostly from all are the Indian organizations. What I have said at the what you can say at the beginning, basically, the research institutions in India like ISAR, IM, IITs, or central or state university, only the foreign bodies that what I have seen is the publishers and say for example IEEE or the ACS or many others foreign publications they have means that comes on the open access policy. Those article and resources that has been included over here. But regarding the participations, I have seen mostly are the Indian organizations. Like
Okay,
just you
actually
talk
government
about
want
like
to,
yes, I agree with that.
yeah,
Like Coursera is one of the platform, right? Coursera is there. I think
yeah,
Baidu is
I
also
had heard
offering.
about it.
So so there are many platforms which are you can say learning management system is there. Basically, they are offering some sorts of this sort of
So
certifications. But here you will find mostly the resources which will help you in lifelong learning instead of getting certifications and all. I think the coordinator will be give you more insight to it. Okay.
okay.
And I hope I have replied your means
Yeah,
to your
I
query.
got it. You can continue. You can continue.
uh, so basically, there are four ways I have said where you can browse the content by subject, resource type, content providers, and educational level. Now,
So you have
if we sorry,
subscribe model and authorization model. So
sorry,
what are this restriction
see,
model and
subscribe. Okay, I am just telling you, subscribe. Say, for example, if you want to browse some Wiley or Springer article, right? And that is, if you go to the Google and you want to download that article and you are seeing that, it will require login, right? If you are doing from home or outside of the campus, and if that resources is subscribed by the Alia University Library, then once you will be in campus and you will just click on that, it will automatically open. What NDLI is doing,
okay.
basically,
That
it's
means
having a metadata. It will redirect to the original source. If you are having access to it, you will easily able to download it. Okay. Yes, please.
that means organization paying for that.
Yes, organization must have the access to. Yes, yes, we are paying for that.
Got
University
it.
is paying for that, but mostly this is only associated with what we can say the paid or the publishers resources, the content which are basically which is on the subscription based, or for that you need to pay for it. So mostly you will this is associated with the commercial publishers. But if you'll see the most of the society publications or the government means what we can say publications or the documents mostly are the open. And the third one is that is the restricted. What I have said. Say for example, you have submitted your thesis or dissertations to Alia University means research unit, and then with the help of what we can research unit, they are just putting all these resources to institutional repository just to get access whatever the student those who are studying within the campus of the Alia University, they will able to download, they will able to see. But if the student from the Jadavpur or the Kolkata University, they wanted to say, for example, browse that dissertation or thesis, they need a further access level. Otherwise, everybody can download their dissertation and thesis. So that access level will be restricted and given by the university level. I think I are you getting my point?
Got it.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
this is
got it.
how it's work. Otherwise, the thing is that, say for example, if you go to the IIT Bombay website and you will just download the entire MTech thesis or dissertation, sorry. So because of that, these sorts of restrictions or their copyright issues or some privacy, what we can say, say research organization. There are many documents which are you can say very restricted use, and they will require
A lot of things is
special permission
confidential.
for.
Lots of
So
premium things which is not there.
yes. Because of that, this has been restricted.
Continue.
Okay. Now we'll just move to the NDLI collections, where you will see a lots of filter, which is on the left hand side. Basically, it's a access restrictions, author, education level, educational use. So basically, these are the filter by which you can, by using these filters, you can easily land to your right resources. This will become more clear once my colleague Dr. Salahuddin, who will show you a live demo on this. So there you will just you can basically what you can say filter the things. Like say for example, you will require the learning resources. I just only need the article, not the books or any video lectures or the notes. So once you select the collection, then it only the, say for example, here 300 something resources are there. So it will show that much of resources on. Now moving to the search option. So basically, previously it was different, but now I think they have done some enrichment to this website, and because of that, at the home page of this NDLI website, you will find a free text search option is given. Just next to the, once you will see the preferred options, basically the means once you click on the preferred options, you will get next to it you will get the search option. So this is basically free text searching. Whatever you want to search, you can put there. And the another options that is which in the form of advanced. Once you will browse these resources, and you will say, for example, you will go to the resource type or subject, and there you can do a further filtration of the resources. So basically, this will give you a very pinpointed and very authentic results. So okay, so I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much. From this onwards, Dr. Salahuddin E will lead the presentation by showing the live demo of NDLI, how you can register and how you can browse the things, and he will also discuss about the NDLI club. So if you ever need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. So thank you so much once again.
Thank you, sir.
I request Salahuddin to please take from here. Oh, okay. We'll do the question answering at the last once the presentation is over. Okay.
After the presentation, we can have a question answer session.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And I think
So, was nicely presented by Dr. Nihal sir of what is NDLI and how we can access the various resources. I'm audible, I think.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So let me have a hands-on experience of what Nihal sir has explained. So is this my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Visible? Okay, this is the homepage of the NDLI. When we put the URL ndli.iitkgp.ac.in, this page will open. Actually, this is basically a digital library for learning resources mainly. So, they have put the resources in 6 categories. School education, resources related to school education, related to higher education, related to research, related to career development, related to cultural archives and newspaper archives. These are the base six classification of the resources. So we have to first decide in which category we have to browse the resources. Before that, we have to log in here. Actually, I have logged in here already. So here, as I have logged in, my name is visible here. If I have not logged in, will be option for login. So even if you don't log into the NDLI, you can browse resources. But there are some resources that they can be accessed for those who have registered in the NDLI. So first you have to register in the NDLI club. Most of you have registered, I think. So when we log in, this page will open. We have to first select the category of which we have to access the resources. For example, I am selecting the higher education. Most of our participants will be UG and PG students. Maybe research scholars as well as there may be. But first, let me take into higher education category. Okay. So when we click on the higher education category, the page will open here. We can search here. We can answer explain. We can browse here. There are 4 categories again: by subject, by resource types, by content providers, by education levels. We can browse resources, and we can we can search here any search term. If we have any search term, we can search here. For example, I'm searching a term Java programming. Okay, I think I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am searching for Java programming, and I'm searching in the higher education category. Okay, So when I search for Java programming, all the resources available in the NDLA club in the higher education category will be displayed here. Here you can see 21,203 resources are found on Java programming. So there are so many types of resources will be available. So if we want to filter the resources, we have option here. We have option access restriction. For example, here among the 21,000 plus resources, one resource is authorized. 267 resources are for NDLI registered members, and 20,000 plus resources are open for all. So this is the benefit of an NDLI registered member. These 267 resources will not be accessible by a person who is not registered in the NDLI. So again, you can, if you have a particular author, so you can filter your search by authors. So many authors are there in for Java programming here. So if you have any, if you want to search a resource by P.N. Agarwal in Java programming, you can just click here. So on clicking that, 120 resources by Agarwal, P.N. Agarwal is there. All these resources will be displayed. So this way you can restrict in many ways. Author, subject. There are so many subjects related to the Java programming. Java programming is a computer science based thing. So here computer science is the data processing in the computer programming is the special computer methods. In different subjects related to Java programming will be displayed. You can filter the resources based on your subject interest. Then there is educational level. There are in Indian educational scenario, there are mainly four types of courses: certificate courses, diploma courses, postgraduate courses, and undergraduate courses. Actually, you keep in mind that we are browsing the resources of higher education. So higher education comes certificate, diploma, postgraduate, and undergraduate. So we can filter based on that. Then educational use. For what use we are using? Assessment, lectures, problem solving, reading, research, and language. There are so many resources from so many languages are available. Assamese, Bengali, English, Persian, Kashmiri, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Manipuri, Nepali, Telugu, Tamil. So based on that also you can restrict them. There is learning resource type. Which type of resource you want? Video lecture, course material, chapter, book. So this type you can. There is content providers. So all the content in the NDLA have been integrated from different content providers like Young Lectures, Art Skills, Botanical Survey of India, Caliber, Faculty Contribution, Interprest Institute, NPTEL. So you can filter resources of content provider also. Then content type, which type of resources? Audio resource, image, simulation, text, video. So this way you can restrict the resources. There are totally 21,230 resources in Java programming without any filtration. So if you filter, the number will decrease. So this is how we have to search and filter. So if you want to access one resource, here it is first program Java programming. This is a text resource open. Open means here this open blocks sign means this is open to all, and this is this is a video. This is a icon here on putting your mouse cursor here. Will show what type of resource. It is a video, and the language is English, and it has been uploaded on 17 January 2024. So everything will be here. So you just have to click on the resources that will take you to the resource. So this is the video. so you can access the video. So I'm not taking much time on here. So from here you can go back to your page, home page. Again, you will be taken to the home page. For if you want to, for example, if you want to access a resource based on career development. So if you click on the career development, mainly there are four things: entrance examination question papers, various entrance examination language, UGC net, CSR net, CMAT, JAM, CAT, everything will be there. Then there is recruitment examination like UPSC, then recruitment examination IBPS and RRP, then recruitment examination SSC and PSC. So you can further browse. Look here when we browse the resource of higher education, there were four options for browsing, like resource type, course type. Like. Here in career development, there are two types of options are the examinations, resource type. If you click on the examination, all the examination will be displayed here. Main examination have been displayed in the above button. Here, when you click on here, all the examination will be displayed. All India Irish post graduate entrance test, biological eligibility, biotechnology test, common catch, CC match, CSAR, UGC. So you can further refine the resources and you can access the resources. So this is how we have to use the NDLI. So you have to keep in mind that if you register to the NDLI, then you will have access to more number of resources. Even if you don't register NDLI, you can access resources, but the number of resources available to you will be low. So this is how you have to. In this way, all the six category you can browse. So this is how NDLI can be browsed. Now let me tell you about the NDLI club. My screen is visible. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So NDLI club is basically a sister concern of the NDLI. NDLI has been, as discussed, has been developed by the Ministry of Education for the benefit of the learners in the country. So to facilitate the use of this NDLI, the government of India or Minister of Education has asked all the education institutes to create NDLI club. NDLI club is basically a club that will organize different types of programs, learning related programs, so that all the members of the club will be aware of the NDLI, its resources. They will use the resources. They will make use of the resources, and they will benefit from the NDLI. So this is a movement for integrated digital learning across India. All across India, this NDLI is accessible, and NDLI club are available in all the education, all types of education resources, even if it is a university, it is a college. So all types of educational institutes have NDLI clubs. So basically, this is part of the digital India mission of the country. Our country is progressing in the digital area. Even if it is payment, even if it is studies, everything we are progressing in this area. So this is part of that mission, Digital India mission. This NDLA club has been established in education schools. So under this club, various programs are being conducted, like seminars or other workshops, competitions, training programs like. Basically, the aim of the club is to promote the effective utilization of the NDLA's vast resources. And ACT, our Ali University's engineering programs and management program have been created by the AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education. They have mandated to have an NDLI club in the university if we want to affiliation from the AICTE and other NIRF ranking, NAC, NPR accreditation. So all these types of activities they prefer NDLA club. So for a I think most of you, all of you must have been part of our NDLA club because this program is being organized by the NDLA club and only NDLA club members are supposed to join here. Even if you are not a NDLA club member, you can. It's very easy to get a membership of the NDLA club. You can join. So I will explain you how you can join the club. So this is a portal of the NDLA club. All the activities of the NDLA club are done through this portal. So this is the web page. ndla.iitkgp.se.in. So if first you have to register in the NDLI first. There are one mandatory condition for becoming a member of the NDLI club is that that member has to first register in the NDLI. After that, he can register as a NDLI club member. So for registering NDLA club, first they will be registering the NDLA. Then there is a pass key for our NDLA club. Here I have written here pass key that has been shared in groups and other places as well. So first they will be asking for a pass key. This pass key is unique for every institute. This pass key is for our Ali University's pass key. If you put this pass key here, enter pass key column. If you put your pass key of the Ali University, you will be first your institutes will be validated. After that, you will have to enter your email ID. The email ID you used for registering the NDLA will be asked here. You have to use here. On entering your email ID, you will become a member of the NDLA club of Ali University. First, you put the pass key of the Ali University, then put your email ID that has been registered in the NDLI. On putting both these, you will become a member of the NDLA club. An NDLA club member can then register, signing using the email ID and password later. So every NDLA club members can participate in the NDLA club organized events, and every for every program they get a certificate of participation. This is a e-certificate. After the program, all the members can download their certificate. So basically the programs being conducted by the NDLA club are learning oriented activities. Three types of programs are there. Local club events, that is program conducted by our club. So today's program is a local program conducted by our universities club only. So only club members from our universities can participate in this event. There are another program that is multi-club events. If there are multi-clubs, for example, NDLA club of Ali University and NDLA club of any other university jointly organized program, then the club members of all that particular institutes can join. Then there is global events. Actually, global events is being conducted by the NDLA core team. The core team at IIT Kharagpur, they organize various programs. Every weeks or every 2 weeks they they conduct a program. So this program, any NDLI club member can join this program. They can participate. They will get a certificate for this program. So these are the programs are being conducted by NDLI club. So I request all of you. Sorry, I hope all of you are members of the NDLI club of Alia University. If you are a member of Alia University's NDLI club, you can become a member. It's very easy. You can if you have any the procedure for joining the club has been already given in various WhatsApp groups and other HOD or every HOD of the departments have also been given. If you ask your HODs, you can get the information. Otherwise, you can contact the NDLA club at alia.se.in, or you can note on my mobile number 8139841076. You can contact on that mobile number as well if you have any queries regarding NDLA club joining and the NDLA club program. So this is I will explain you how to join the for those who have not yet joined. So when you click on the member registration, this will come here. You will have to enter the passkey. So this is the passkey of the Ali University. Where on entering this passkey, their message will come: passkey validated successfully. So this passkey is of Ali University's NDLA club. After that, you have to put your email ID. So actually, I have already it is given here a club. Sorry. If I put the email ID that has been used for registration, it is given that you are already a club member. Please sign in. So actually, I have already registered as a member. So if I am not a member, and when I put my email ID, a message will be coming here that will show that email has been sent to your email for validation. On clicking on that email link on that email, you will become a member. So after become a member, you have to go to here member login and put your details, email ID and password. And sign in. On signing, you will be taken to the page of the NDLI club. So this is my page of the NDLI club portal of Alia University. Okay, here you can see home, events, highlights, rewards, everything will be shown here. On the home page, all the programs that I have joined in the previous years, on the previous times, will be shown here. For example, this was a program. So this is today's program only. One program. There are so many programs that I have not attended. So this is a program we conducted last year. On clicking on this program, I can download my certificate here. Here, just me given event participation certificate. You can generate your certificate here. Generate certificate. On generation certificate, will be shown here. You have generated certificate successfully. Then there will be on refreshing, the link for downloading certificate will be here. So what you have to do on signing into the club, you have to first, if you want to join any program, you have to just click on the events. Here it is in the home page. There is link for events. This is link for the events that are going to be conducted. So these are these link. So we have the next week we have a program, NDLA interactive workshop on performing CPR to save lives. This is a workshop being to be held in the Newtown campus on performing CPR. So if I want to join this program, I just have to click here. On clicking here, a link will be shown in the upper side. Check eligibility. If I am eligible to join this program. So on 1 minute. So on clicking on check eligibility, it will be shown that you are eligible to participate. So if I want to participate, I can just click here participate. On participating, clicking on the participator, it has been given that success. Thank you for submitting your participation, and it has been shown that participation request has been approved. So I have successfully registered for this program. So this is how one have to register for a program. On doing this, one can download the participation certificate after the program. So I think all of you must have done this procedure. If you have not done, please do this.
Yes, sir. We have done.
Procedure. Then only you will get the participation certificate. Okay. So this is how the NDLI and NDLI club and its the resources and searching, browsing of NDLI and various procedure in the NDLI club. So this is all. The end of this presentation is here. So if anybody have any queries regarding the NDLI or NDLI club, you are free to ask.